Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A03s for Boost Mobile. So this is a new phone for Boost Mobile. It recently got released. I'm not sure what date this one got released on, but this one got recently released to Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone on Boost Mobile, the Galaxy A03s could be for you to check out here. So it's currently out of stock right now as of this video recording. So that sucks. But they got it on sale, so that's pretty cool there. So it's $59.99 on sale, but the full retail price is $119.99. So this is a budget phone, so to keep it in mind, this is an update over the Galaxy A02s. So yeah, it's currently out of stock right now. So hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A03s here. So there's the phone right there. Very nice looking phone. Y'all guys got the front there, has your teardrop notch with your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well, so keep that in mind. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here on the left, right here. And then on the left side again, micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Galaxy A03s is your triple camera setup, along with your camera flash and Samsung logo. It looks like it has like a texture on the back here. Kind of looks like it does. So that's pretty nice for grip and whatnot. It looks like the Galaxy A02s on front and back. So yeah. And like I said, your power button is your fingerprint sensor on the right side of the phone. So, yeah. It says here, Galaxy A03s gives you simply awesome essentials in one of our most affordable phones. So, you know, that's good. So, quick specs on this phone. Like I said, this is a budget phone. So, to keep it in mind, you guys will have a 6.5-inch display. That's a 720p display, 720 by 1600 pixels, I believe. A 13 megapixel main camera on the rear, 40 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, Android 11 with One UI 3.1, something like that. So, yeah. Of course, how it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick your plan, and activate online. I don't know why the phone is not in stock. I don't know why it's not. It's kind of weird. So here it is, Galaxy A03s. Galaxy A03s gives you the simply awesome essentials and one of our most affordable phones. High def display, most definitely bold and brilliant, with a crisp infinity display that's perfect for keeping in touch or escaping into your entertainment. So the display should look pretty decent on here. This is a 720p display. It should look pretty decent. This is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. So do keep that in mind. Alright. Durability meets simplicity. A simple, durable design gives you an awesome phone you can count on. So, yeah, very nice looking phone. I think it looks very nice. It has a fingerprint sensor, which is nice. So not bad for a $60 phone if you get it on sale. Even for $120, I think it's still a pretty decent deal there. 3 lenses mean triple the fun. We have crunched some numbers and discovered that 3 camera lenses mean 3 times the fun, and that is right. You guys got your camera setup on the back. You'll have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the top of the your top lens is your depth camera, which is 2 megapixels with the f2.4 aperture lens. Your main camera is in the middle of that, which is 13 megapixels with the f2.2 aperture lens. And then on the bottom lens is your macro camera lens, which is 2 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture lens. And you guys also get a camera flash on the back as well. So Pretty cool there. Macro camera pays attention to the tiny details, like raspberries or something. That's what these are, raspberries. I think, yeah, that's what they look like is raspberries. So, yeah. So it says here, get in close with the 2 megapixel macro camera and discover details you may have missed otherwise. It applies a natural bokeh effect to your pictures, allowing your subject to stand out from the background. So, a very cool feature there. Bring the focus to the front with depth camera. So it's a 2 megapixel depth camera. Lets you adjust the depth of field in your photos. With a simple touch, you can easily fine-tune the background blur behind your subject for high-quality portrait shots that truly stand out. Front camera stylish selfies. With the Galaxy A03s 5 megapixel front camera and bokeh effect, it's easy to snap stunning selfies that feature more you and less background. So, not too bad. Camera specs on here are pretty decent. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you did get what you pay for here. So it should get the job done. You guys will get a 5,000 mAh battery on here, which is very nice. Hours and hours of power. A reliable, long-lasting battery helps you keep going at your pace. So y'all guys get a big ass 5,000 mAh battery. It also has fast charge as well, I believe. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much standard now. So 5,000 mAh battery. Y'all guys should get great battery life from this phone. There is no reason not to, because y'all guys have a 720p display. So y'all guys should get great battery life on this phone. So there is no reason why that y'all guys shouldn't get great battery life. Y'all guys probably get 2 days on this phone, depending on your usage, of course. If you're a power user, you might get a day of battery. If you're a light user, you guys might get 2 days. So it depends on your usage as well, you know. So yeah, processing speed you need, dependability you deserve. When you're on the go, responsive processing speed is what you need. Galaxy A03s has you covered. It has an octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and up to 1 TB via micro SD card. So you take advantage of that, obviously. So yeah, pretty good specs there. Unlock your phone with your fingerprint. With the fingerprint sensor built right into the power button, one seamless motion gets you into your phone. And that's your power button. I mean, that's your fingerprint sensor. It's your power button. So pretty easy and convenient. Just put your finger on the power button, and it will unlock your phone and stuff like that. Focus more with One UI Core. So this has like the core version. I guess this is like a light version of One UI. So it's pretty interesting. So it says here, One UI Core helps you focus on what matters to you. Hardware and software work together with content and features at your fingertips, so you can get to them faster. Seamlessly switch apps and get information from multiple apps at once. The convenient UI design lets you multitask on a single screen. So this is like a lightweight version of One UI. So I think it has One UI 3.1 on it, but I think it's like a lighter version of that. So you guys are probably not gonna get all the features of One UI on here, obviously, because it's a light version of it here. So One UI Core is like Samsung's light version of One UI. Basically, that's their light version is the core. So you guys will get the core features of One UI here. So not too bad, you know. An awesome Android experience. Always get the latest Google apps on Android OS, fully supported on your Galaxy A03s. So you guys get all those apps right there. Obviously, it's Android, so you'll get every Google app. So yeah. Specs on here, like I said, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. So it has a 5,000 mAh battery, so that's a win. Y'all guys should get at least a day or two of battery life, depending on your usage, of course. You guys get 40 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. That's pretty much standard now. There's no phones that have a removable battery anymore. That's pretty much gone. So the battery is not removable. Memory, you get 3 GB of RAM. 32 gigabytes of ROM with micro SD card expansion up to 1 terabyte. So take advantage of that. Processor is a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core chipset. So yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. I don't know how good MediaTek processors are. It's better than the Galaxy A02s's processor that had a Snapdragon 450 in it, I think it was. The Galaxy A02s had a Snapdragon 450 in it, I think. And that processor is like what, 5-6 years old now. So yeah, but this one should have a newer processor. This has a MediaTek processor in it, like I said. You do get Android 11 with 1 UI core on here. So pretty cool there. I don't know if it's going to get Android 12 or not. It might get Android 12. I'm not really sure about that. You do get a 13 megapixel main camera with the f2.2 aperture, which is your wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro lens, 2 megapixel depth camera lens on the rear, 5 megapixel front facing camera. Display 6.5 inches HD plus LCD display, not AMOLED. So do keep that in mind. There's no AMOLED display on here because you're paying like $60 for the phone, so you're getting an LCD display, so it's better than nothing. Pixel resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels, so pretty decent pixels there. Dimensions 6.53 inches in height, 2.98 inches in width, and 0.36 inches in depth. The Galaxy A03s weighs 6.98 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Galaxy A03s include Wi-Fi, obviously, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, which is standard now, and you get NFC on board, so you can use Samsung Pay, Google Pay, and stuff like that on here that will work on this run. Other features include fast charging, so that's a plus. Not bad for $60. Again, NFC for $60. You can't go wrong with that. So yeah. What's included in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A03s prepaid smartphone, terms and conditions, quick start guide, USB-C to USB-C cable. Don't know if it comes with a charging brick in the box, because Samsung is not including a charging brick in the box. They expect you to have one, so I don't know if it comes with a charging brick in the box or not. I don't know if it does. It might come with one. It might not. I don't know. I've not seen the unboxing of this phone, so I don't know if a charging brick is included in the phone, in the box. So do keep it in mind, alright? If you guys need help with your Galaxy A03s, Boost Mobile has you covered with that, with device support, which is a great tool to have if you're needing help with your phone. Device support can help you set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, and other features on your phone. So check it out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So device support is a great tool. I suggest you guys check it out if you guys need help with your phone. So that's a great tool to have. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A03s is now here at Boost Mobile. It is currently out of stock right now. Hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So I guess we'll see about that. It's currently on sale, but it is out of stock. So it's on sale for $60 on sale. The full retail price is $119.99, and what you're getting for that price, you're getting a pretty decent amount of stuff. You're getting NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, fast charging. There is no 5G on here, no 5G. So you're not getting 5G on here because you're just not. Maybe the next generation of maybe the Galaxy Galaxy A04 or whatever the fuck they're gonna call it might have 5G, but this one does not have 5G on it. So if you're looking to get 5G on this phone, this is not the phone for you. If you guys want a cheap 5G phone, the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G is available at Boost Mobile as well, and that one has 5G. So if you guys want a 5G phone on the cheap, Boost Mobile has the Galaxy A13 5G. So this one does not have 5G on it. If you don't really care about 5G or whatever, Hell, the Galaxy A03s is worth taking a look at here. It's a very nice looking phone. It has some pretty cool features with it, and yeah, not bad for a budget phone like this. So yeah, so there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy A03s, now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.